Hi there, my name is Sarah here at Vitality Health Hawkstone. We are located at 18326 Lessard Road. We are still open and functioning during COVID. We are taking precautionary measures to make sure that everything is up to par. We wipe down everything after every customer with high quality sanitizer. We have hand sanitizer as soon as you walk in. You are able to come in with a mask or without, it's up to you. Because we are in a strip mall, we do not have that much traffic. It's few and far between that we have more than 3 people in the store. So we are a good option for you if you are immune compromised and you are just feeling a little unsure about going out. We have a wide range of everything. We have vitamins, minerals, sports nutrition, we have greens, we have cleanses, we have probiotics, we have omegas. I would love to help you. I am a certified holistic health coach, so I have a lot of tips and advice for you if you want to come by and see us. Our hours of operation is Monday to Saturday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Sundays, 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. Our phone number is 780-761-6555, and I hope you're all staying safe and healthy, and take care. Bye-bye.